welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today I'm going to do a little review for you. I was contacted by the company Redmond. It's R-E-D-M-O-N-D. I'll put it on the screen for you. And I've done a review for them once before. I actually love their products. So when they contacted me, I said, sure, send it to me. I'll try it for a week or two. If I like it, I'll review it for you. And so here I am. So let me get on with it and I'll show you the box. Here it is. Turn it around so you can see the picture on the front. And like I said, the company is Redmond, and it just so happens that I'm reviewing a toaster that's red. And where do you see this toaster? So let me bring this baby up for you and I'll show you what it looked like. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Let me turn it around. It is a beautiful, I would say almost like a metallic red. It's a beautiful red. And I think it looks very retro looking, don't you? Let me turn it around so you can see the side of it. It has stainless steel on it and the little knob up here. And just the way the toaster is designed, I think it's fantastic. So I'm reviewing the red toaster today. Now, it came with a booklet. Let me show you the booklet. And it tells you all about, this is a 2-slice toaster. It's the instruction manual in here. And what I liked, let me show you what else that came with it. Look at this. It's a toaster heat level setting. And there are, I believe, 6 levels of heat on this toaster. And you can go anywhere from super light to, if you look here, practically burnt, which we don't want to do. Now, on the side here, let me move the box out of the way. On the side of the toaster here, you'll see this really cool looking knob. And this is what you push down when you want to toast. And obviously you have to have bread in the toaster before the knob goes down or it won't stay down. And over here, it has a cancel button, it has a bagel button, and it also has a defrost button. So the slots on the toaster are wide enough to toast a bagel in. Over on the side here, it has a knob. Let me try to hold this up. See, the knob turns very easily, and the numbers are from 1 to 6. And that's the level of brownness that you want on the toaster. This toaster gets warm on the outside, but it doesn't get so hot that you can't touch it. Now, it does have a sticker on here that does say, caution, hot surface, but I haven't had any problem with it at all. And if I'm not mistaken, there's a 1-year warranty on this toaster. So, what I had intended to do for you is, I was going to try 6 pieces of bread, and on all the different levels here, and I was going to show you how they come out from level 1 to level 6. But guess what happened? I went to get the bread. I didn't have 6 slices. Everybody in the house was eating the bread. So I have 1 slice here of an end. I have another slice here of white bread. And I have a darker slice here that is my low carb bread. So what I want to do is I'm going to put this on level 3. So if you look on here, you'll see level 3 is sort of a little bit like, I guess, a medium setting. And we're going to see how it comes out. Before I do that, I'll show you on the side here, right here, there's a tray. It slides right out. And this is your crumb tray. So it's very easy to clean the toaster. Let me put that back in for you. But I'll tell you, I was amazed at the look of this thing. It's so modern and sleek, and yet It's so retro because of the color and the shine. Look at that. I just love it. Imagine putting the red if you have black and white in your kitchen or gray. A lot of those neutral colors. Oh, this red would look fantastic in there. Think red for Redmond. Anyway, so let me just show you. This is one normal size piece of bread, and the slot here is very wide, so you can put bagels in it. So I'm going to put the slice of toast in there. I'm going to put it, for now, we're just going to try it on number 3. So let me put it on 3 here. There's a little line on the knob that will show you where to put it. And we're going to toast this baby and see what it looks like. A little light comes on here. That shows you the little blue light that the toast is toasting. Now, while that's toasting, I would like to tell you that the defrost button that's on the toaster, the way that works is you put your piece of bread in the toaster, you press defrost, you push your lever down, and what it will do is it will defrost the bread first, and then it will go on to toast the bread. So it's like a 2-in-1. You don't have to defrost your piece of bread first and then have it pop up and then put it back in to toast it again. It's all in one. So that's how you would toast frozen bread. If you toast a bagel in here and there's a bagel setting, I believe that really toasts one side of the bagel, obviously. It's not going to toast the other side that's already brown. It's going to toast the cut side. Did you see that? That popped right up. So let me show you. Here is, oh, it's too hot, but here is this number 3. Now it toasted on both sides. Some people say, well, the toast only toasted on one side. No, the bread toasts on both sides of the bread. Can you see that? Now, we're going to put it on another level, just for fun. So I'm going to put it on, what shall I put it on? That was on 3. I'm going to go all the way up high. I'm going to go to level 5. Now this should be pretty dark. I'm going to put my end piece in that the family left me. So let me put that in and push that down. Here we go. And don't forget, this has a 1-year warranty, and I'm going to put the link for it down below in the description box should you want to order it. This is on Amazon. You can order it from there. First, cleaning the toaster, you would put it on cancel. You would pull out the crumb tray that I showed you, and you would just empty that and then clean it, with a damp or a wet cloth and let it dry. Also, as far as cleaning it, make sure that you don't use any abrasive cleaner on the outside of this toaster. I mean, this is such a beauty, you don't want to ruin it. I'm just fascinated with it. The way they made it, I don't know how to explain it. It's very, very shiny. And it's not really metallic, but I don't know. The red has a little metallic look to it. And then with the shine on there, it's really pretty. Really, I mean, Diva, you're saying a toaster is pretty? But it really is. This is a very pretty toaster, and it's very reasonably priced. So let's wait till this baby pops up. This should be pretty darn dark, I think. Here's the one we toasted. That was number 3. Toasted perfectly. Now we'll see what number 5 looks like. Come on, come on, I see the smoke coming out of it. I see smoke, so I think this is going to be a dark one. Whoa, baby! That looked really dark. I don't know how I'm going to get that out of there. Woo! All right, push it up. Okay, whoa. Now, remember I said there's 6 levels of brownness, and I showed you 3. This one, it's hot, is number 5. It's hot. And if you look on the paper here, look at number 5 over here. it shows it exactly like that. Very dark, almost black on the top, and then brown on the bottom. And I don't know why anyone would want to do number 6. I mean, I don't know. Is there anything? I can't really think of anything that you want to use burned bread for. No, I think for me, I would stick level 3. That's how I like my bread. Some people may like it a little darker, some people may like it a little lighter. But this is level 5. And so, I don't know what more I can say about this beauty of a toaster. I mean, when they first asked me to review it, I said, what can I say about a toaster? But then they sent it to me, and just looking at it, it was so beautiful. It did everything it was supposed to do, and I really enjoyed it. I give the toaster 2 thumbs up, and it's very reasonably priced. So, once again, I will put the link for the toaster down in the description box, should you want to take a look at it. Maybe you're in need of a new toaster. And meanwhile, I'm going to go make myself some lunch. I'm going to make myself a little sandwich on toast. Hey, cameraman, do you want some toast?
No thanks, I had a piece before.
What level do you like your toast on?
I like it on probably 2.
2? Oh, let's see what 2. Yeah, 2 is good. Look at 2. That's what he likes it on. 2, right up there. Over here. I like it on 2 too. I would say for me, I'll go with 2 or 3. One almost looks to me like you didn't toast the bread, but whatever. So anyway, I want to thank you all, if you're still with me, for listening to my little review on the Redmond toaster. And take a peek at it, and I will see you again very soon. Toodles!